So after the 8th sum, coming to the 9th, we were asked to observe the pattern and complete the series. So in the first pattern A, we have 3250, 4250, 5250 and 4 more blanks are given. When we observe the thousands place, we have 3, 4, 5. So next number has to come 6, 7, 8 and 9. Remaining 250 is same. So after 3, 4, 5, write 6250, 7250, after 7, 8250, after 8, 9250. Then coming to B, we have 1111, 2222, 3333. After 3 comes 4. So fourth blank is 4444, 5555. Next comes 6, 6666 and 7777. Then coming to C, we have 4550, 4555, 4560. When you see the thousands place, 4, 4 and 4 are there. Next number, hundreds place is 5, 5 and 5 is there. Then coming to the tens place, 5, 5 and 6 are there. So when you observe this tens place and ones place, 50, 55 and 60, it is differing by 5 numbers. Just we have to add 5 numbers. After 60, 60 plus 5 is 65. So the fourth blank is 4565. Add 5 to 65. 65 plus 5 is 70. So 4570. 70 plus 5 is 75. 4575. 75 plus 5 is 80. 4580. Then coming to D, 2200, 3300, 4400. So if you see the thousand place and hundreds place, 22, 33, 44. Next comes 55. So 5500. After 55, 66. 6600. Then 7700 and 8800. So 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. Coming to the last one, 9225, 9275, 9325. 25 and 75 differs by 50. So 50 we are adding. 75 plus 50 is 325. 275 plus 50 is 325. 325 plus 50 we have to add. So 9375. For 375 add 50. 9425. 9425 plus 50 more. 9475. 475 plus 50. 9525. That is ninth sum. We have observed the pattern and completed the series. After 9, coming to the 10th one, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means from smaller number to bigger number we have to go. To write in the ascending order, first we will compare the 1000 place. 1000 place 4, 4, 4 and 4. All equal numbers are there. Then coming to the hundreds place, we have 7, 6, 9 and 7. So to write the ascending order, we have to choose the smallest one. Among 7, 6, 9 and 7, 6 is the smallest one. So first we have to write 4647. Then coming to 7, 9 and 7, here we have 1000, hundreds place 7 and 7 is there. Between first and last, we compare the tens place. 4 and 8. 4 is less than 8, so this number should be second. Coming to last two, 900, this is 700. 700 is lesser, So this is third and this is fourth. So first number is 4000 ascending order. 4647. Second number is 4746. Third number is 4789. Last number 4987. And coming to B, to write in the ascending order. Now again check the 1000 place. 1, 8, 1, 5. Among four numbers, here 1000 is smaller, here 1000 is smaller. Same 1000 place is there. Check the hundreds place. 2 and 2. This is third number is 8 and 6 is there. 6 is smaller than 8. So first number we have to write 1265 and this becomes the second number. Between 8521 and 5621, 5 is smaller than 8. So write this number as third and this is the fourth. So to write the ascending order, first number is 1265, second number is 1285, third number is 5621, last number 8521. A and B are completed. Then coming to 10C, 2326, 2263, 3226 and 2623. Four numbers are given. Asked to write in the ascending order. Write in the ascending order. You will see the smallest one first of all. Smallest one is thousands place. We have 2, 2, 3 and 2. 3 is the greatest number. So we will write it last. Among first, second and third, compare the hundreds place. 3, 2 and 6. 2 is the smallest. 2 is smaller than 3 and 6. So we will write this number as first one. And 3 is smaller than 2. This number is second and this is third. Last number is 4. So to write in the ascending order, first number is 2263. Second number is 2326. Third number is 2623. And last 3226. Then coming to D, first we will give the numbers. We will choose the smallest one. While taking the thousands place, 5, 4, 6 and 4. 4 is the smallest one. So between first, second and fourth one, compare the hundreds place. 6 and 6 are there. Both are equal. Then coming to the tens place, 5 and 4. 4 is smaller than 5. So we will write this number as first and this is second. Coming to first and third, 5 is smaller than 6. So you write this 5564 as third number and this is the fourth number. So ascending order is first number 4645, second number 4654, third number 5564, last 6564. With that second 10th sum is completed. After 10th sum, coming to the 11th one, we will ask you to arrange the following numbers in descending order. The meaning of descending order means we have to write from bigger to smaller. Biggest number first we have to write, then we have to proceed to the smallest number. Then comparing the thousands place, we have 1, 1, 1 and 1. All the thousand places are same. Coming to hundreds places, 8, 8, 8 and 6. 6 is the smallest number, so we will write it the last. So give the number 4 for this. Among first, second and third, comparing the tens place, 6, 8 and 6. Between 8 and 6, 8 is the biggest one. So you write this one as the first number. Coming to tens place, 3 and 8. 8 is more than 3. So you write this number as second and this number as third. First, second, third and fourth. 1000. In writing in the descending order, 1886. Second number 1868. Third number 1863. last 1688. Then coming to B, first we will give the numbers. Again we will compare the thousands place. 4, 6, 6 and 7. Among 4, 6 and 7, 7 is the greatest. So you give the number 1 to this. Between 4 and 6, 6 is greater. So these two numbers we have to compare. Compare the hundreds place. Here 6 is more than 4. So give number 2 to this. This is number 3 and leftover is 4. So writing in the descending order, we have first number 7312, second number 6645, third number 6464, last number 4466. Then 11C. Here also we have to write in the descending order. Comparing the 1000 places, 1, 1, 8 and 1. 8 is the biggest number, so you write 1. You for 1 to the 8011. Between first, second and fourth, compare the hundreds places. 3, 2 and 9. Among 3, 2 and 9, 9 is bigger, so give number 2 to this. 3 is more than 2, so 3 and 4. To write in the descending order, first number is 8011, second number is 1911, third number is 1311, fourth number is 1257. Then coming to D1, again we have tried in the descending order. Compare the 1000 places. 3, 5, 9 and 6. 9 is the greatest number, so 1 you give to this. After 9 we have 6 is greater, 2. After 6, 5 is greater, 3 and least is 3. So give 4 to this. First number is 9050, second number 6242, third number 5464, last 3136. With that 11th sum is completed. Coming to 12th sum, we will ask you to fill in the missing numbers are there. First number is given, last number is given. In between 3 blanks are there. We have to observe where the change is occurring. At what place the change is occurring. So in the first one, 1000 place is 4, 1000 place is 8. Remaining 4 numbers are, 3 numbers are 444, 444. So there is a change in the 1000 place. 4, this is 8. In between 3 numbers we have to write. After 4 we can write 5, 6 and 7 followed by 8. So the second number becomes 5444. After 5, 6444. After 6, 7444. You have to observe where, in which place the change is occurring. The change is occurring in the thousands place. Out of 5 numbers, here we have 4, last number is 8. So in between 3 numbers you can write 5, 6 and 7. Remaining numbers are same. Coming to B, 1000 place is 1, same number is there. Hundreds place is 5, same number is there. Tens place we have 5 and 9. After 5 we can have 6, 7 and 8. So in the next number you write 1560. After 6, 7, 1570, 1580, followed by 1590. Coming to C, comparing the thousands place, we have 4 and 4, same number is there. In the hundreds place we have 1 and 5. In between you can write 2, 3, 4. So change in the hundreds place, 4210. 4210. After 2, 3, 4310. After 3, 4, 4410. Followed by 4510. Coming to D, we have 1000 places are same. Hundreds place we have 5 and 9. After 5 we can write 6, 7 and 8. So in place of 5 we have to get 6. 9695. After 6, 9795. After 7, 9895. and followed by 9925. 12th sum completed. Coming to 13th one, we have to write the greatest 4-digit number formed by the digits are given. The A1 they gave 5, 6, 9, 7. In B 0952. In C 8029. In D 2631. To write the greatest 4-digit number among the 4 digits, choose the first greatest number. 9 is the greatest number. Next 7, next 6, and next 5. So 9000, first greatest number is 9, second greatest number is 7, third greatest number is 6, last one is 5. So the greatest 4-digit number formed by 5697 is 9765. And coming to B1, 0952. Among 0952, we have 9 is the greatest number. So write 9. Next greatest number is 5, 5, and 2 and 0, 2 is greater. 2 and 0. 9520. And coming to C, in 8029, 9 is the greatest one. 9 is the greatest 9. After 9 we have 8 is greater. After 8 we have 2 is greater. After 2, last one is 0. 9820. Coming to D, among 2631, we have 6 is the greatest number, 6000. 3 is next one, 321. 6321. So the greatest number formed by 5697 is 9765. The greatest 4-digit number formed by 0952 is 9520. The greatest 4-digit number formed by 8029 is 9820. The greatest 4-digit number formed by 2631 is 6321. 13th sum is completed. Now let us continue with 14th one. The 14th sum is we have to count the beads on the abacus and write the numbers. So we have 4 places are there. This is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, and 1000's place. Count the number of beads in the 1000's place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads are there, write 7. In the 100's place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads are there. So write 5 in the 100's place. And in the 10's place we have only 1 bead is there, write 1. In the 1's place, there is no bead. So write 0. Therefore the number formed is 7510. The number formed is 7510. Then coming to 14th B, again we have 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, and 1000 place. In 1000's place we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. So write 4 in the 1000's place. In the 100's place we have 1, 2, 3. 3 beads are there. And we have no beads in 10's place or 1's place. So write 0 in the 10's place and 0 in the 1's place. So the number formed is 4300. 4300 is the number formed. With that 14th sum is completed. Then coming to the 15th and last one. Asked to show the following numbers on the abacus by drawing the beads. So here 1's place, 10's place, 100's place and 1000 place is given, 4-digit number. And at the bottom the number is given 8400. 8400, 8400 is there. So in 1000's place we have 8. Draw 8 beads on the 1000's place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 beads are there. In the hundreds place 4 is there. So draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In tens place we have 0. So no beads we have to draw in the tens place. Similarly in ones place also 0 is there. So no beads we have to draw in the ones place. So the number formed is 8400. In thousand place we have 8. So draw 8 beads on the number line. 8 beads on the thousand line. And 4 is there in the hundreds place. Draw 4 beads in the hundreds place. Coming to B, we have 3, 6, 7 and 4. So the number of beads we have to draw in the thousand place is 3 is there in the thousand place. So you draw 1, 2 and 3 beads. We have 6 in the hundreds place. How many beads we have to draw? 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In tens place 7 is there. So number of beads we have to draw in the tens place is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in the last ones place we have 4. So draw 1, 2, 3, 4 beads. And last C1 we have 2000, 2, 4, 4, 5 is there. In the thousands place you draw 2 beads. In the hundreds place you draw 4 beads. In the tens place 4 beads. And last ones place 5 beads we have to draw. With that 15th sum is completed. That C bit I am leaving for you at homework. You can do on your own. 15th problem is completed. So exercise 1 is completed. Do it in the classwork if you have the classwork book. If you have the textbook, do in the textbook. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.